How's it going? Today I'll be trying my first ever home manicure. I let my nails grow out and I was thinking about going to have them done, and then I started looking at prices. Nails are expensive. Yeah. After watching several different YouTube videos on home manicures, I finally settled on one video by Sarah Brithinee. I'll tag her video below. I thought her video was super straightforward. She made it look like anyone could do it. It's very clean, very just, here's how you do it. So I'm just literally gonna follow along with her video and see if I can get a similar result. So let's see what her first step is here. She does her makeup fabulously. Wish I had the energy. Okay, Miss Sarah is saying I should soak my nails like they do at the salon and then push the cuticles back. So I'm gonna go soak my nails. Be right back. So I just soaked my nails for a minute and now we're gonna do the cuticle bit she was talking about. She did say to start with your non-dominant hand doing your dominant hand, because for whatever reason that works, so we're just gonna try that. I'm doing it the exact way she did it, so I don't know if that's 100% right. I don't even know what a cuticle is, to be honest. I just know they do this at the salon. They push back this gross little weird skin here. Like, why did we cut that off? I think it's for nail growth. I think that's what the cuticle is. I don't know. So I'm gonna just do all my nails here really quick. Cool. Cuticles pushed back. Now I use a little cuticle trimmer and I cut all that skin off. I honestly don't have a lot and I'm not gonna cut into my fingers, so I'm gonna do what I can. Yeah, we're gonna do what we can. This little guy is a cuticle trimmer. We're gonna use him. Then you just carefully cut the skin. I'm not even cutting anything, I don't think. I don't know. I think I'm cutting cuticle, or am I just cutting hand skin? I don't really know. I haven't done with the first hand and I'm already over this. This cuticle kind of reminds me of like the orange skin on stuff. Like, when you peel an orange, it's like the gross little stuff you don't want to eat. The little hairy stuff or something. Well, if I did the cuticle thing, it's not perfect. A little scary looking, but that's okay. So the next part, Miss Sarah said, is that we need to file the nail, and because hers are already short, I actually want mine a little shorter because it's a little long for me. So I'm going to trim them really quick down to a flat edge because I want a little bit of a square. And then I'm going to file. Step number 3. Cut and file. Got it. So I just went and clipped them really quick, kind of to that square-like shape we all shoot for. And now I'm just gonna file them. Gosh, I can't even see. Is that a normal shape? I don't really know anymore. Maybe they just pay the ladies at the store to know. Oh my god, my hand is cramping. Jesus. Okay, shaping a nail. Hard. The nail's like floppy and not right. Okay, well, we're gonna leave that one alone. I'm gonna live with that for the first time. Let's see what's next. Next step is to buff it out. So I got one of these little things. She says buff the sides, although why does this all feel the same? Is this a sticker? Okay, I think that's how you do it. Yeah, it looks pretty buffed out to me. Okay, let's see. Oh god, there's like dust all over me. Nail dust. So now I'm gonna go wash all this debris off my fingies. Yeah. Nails have been washed, and now it's time for the base coat. So I'm gonna do that. And she said start with your non-dominant hand, so we're gonna go that route. Base coat applied. Now I wait for this to dry, and then finally some color. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so my nails are dry with that base coat. So now, it's the first coat. God, am I low on blood sugar or like something? Like, I am so shaky. Holy smokes. You know, maybe I should have practiced on my toes where no one can see it. Probably the hand is not the best place to go, but we're doing it. Oh my god. That looks terrible. Coat 1 needs to dry. And then we do coat 2. I think she did 3. I'm gonna see how 2 looks before I continue this process, but coat 1 done. Time to do the second coat. Okay, once again, starting with my bad hand. I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry. I'm gonna do a third coat, because I don't trust myself. So, third coat it will be in about 10 to 15 minutes. Time to go play some Red Dead Redemption. That's what I'm gonna do while my nails are drying. Some Red Dead. Alrighty. BRB. Nails dry. Time for the third and almost final coat. Almost. I think the only time I ever really got or get my nails done is if I'm going to a wedding or, I don't know, I'm on vacation maybe. But other than that, I really don't get my nails done, but it would be nice. Be nice to save money and still have cute nails. I think that's what we all believe. Right, then she said, don't let this third coat completely dry when you go to put on the top coat, because the top coat like smooths it together, smooths all of them together. So we're gonna get ready to do that. I just want to take a quick little pause and say thank you, Sarah Brithinee, for putting this video online. So far, they are looking pretty good. They gotta dry, but they are pretty darn cute. I think Sarah does an excellent job of describing and very clear, straightforward. I do believe she's right. With a little bit of practice, you could probably be good at this. I could use a little more practice. I'm kind of impressed with myself, if I do say so myself. But yeah, I just want to give a huge thank you to her. If you guys want to go ahead and try this video, I'll link her down below. You can go check it out and try it yourself. Let me know if it came out for you or not. For me, I would say yes. And I'm probably going to keep doing this so that I get really good at it and then my nails just always look good. Because who doesn't want good looking nails? You lying if you say you don't. So now we got some top coat that I'm kind of scared it's going to mess up that I've already done, but we're just gonna slowly work through it. Butter it out, butter it. Okay, that one's not so bad. Oh yeah. Sarah, girl. She knows what she's talking about. Oop, I got too cocky. I gotta slow down. This one's not coming out so wow, Madeline. Focus. Okay, well. Alrighty, well. I'm having a bit of a day over here with this thumb already. Now I just wait. I don't know if you're supposed to blow on them, but I will. Oh my gosh. A couple of these came out really good. Oh my gosh. Here, I'll show you. Oh god, the knees. Yes. Some of them came out not too bad. Like this one I'm pretty proud of. I'm pretty proud of this finger. That's looking pretty manicure-esque. Cute. Yes, I think they came out great. I can actually get good at this. This wasn't as hard as I thought. I thought I was gonna be freaking out way more. I gotta work on my nail shaping because that's a weird thing right now. Got some octagons and some round ones and some square, some are squarish. But they're definitely better than before, so yay. I'm pleased. It may not be perfect, but I'm pleased because I thought I was gonna do way worse. So now, with my nice clean nails, I can't touch anything for the next 20 minutes or so. If you like this video, go ahead and follow and subscribe. If you have anything I should try next, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Because this came out pretty good. I gotta start trying more things. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next week. So, keep it pretty, keep it weird, and I'll see you next time. Bye. The reason I'm on the floor today is I don't have a tall enough table, and, this is good at the work. If you don't know what this is, it's a djembe. So I can also drum at the same time as doing my nails. Crafty. You gotta work with what you got, you know? I'll be like, God, I am cringy. The knees. Oh God. Oh God, my knees.